Hi everyone, welcome to Ask and Share. Today we're going to learn about two important concepts, the highest common factor, HCF, and the least common multiple, LCM.
Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this video will make it easy for you to understand and calculate HCF and LCM. Let's get started. So what exactly is HCF?
Great question. The highest common factor, or HCF, also known as the greatest common divisor, is the largest positive integer that divides all the given numbers without leaving a remainder.
How do we find the HCF of two or more numbers?
There are a few methods, but we'll focus on two easy methods today: the Euclidean algorithm and prime factorization.
Can you explain the Euclidean algorithm?
Sure. The Euclidean algorithm is an efficient way to find the HCF. Here's how it works. Divide the larger number by the smaller number, take the remainder, and divide the previous divisor by this remainder. Repeat the process until the remainder is 0. The last non-zero remainder is the HCF. For example, we can find the HCF of 48 and 18. Here, the larger number is 48 and the smaller number is 18. So we will divide 48 by 18. 48 divided by 18 equals 2. Remainder is 12. Now take the remainder, 12 and previous divisor 18. Now we will divide 18 by 12. 18 divided by 12 equals 1. The remainder is 6. Now take the remainder, 6 and previous divisor 12. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Remainder is 0. We can stop here since the remainder is 0. The last non-zero remainder is 6. So the HCF of 48 and 18 is 6.
What about prime factorization for finding HCF?
Another way to find the HCF is through prime factorization. Break down each number into its prime factors, identify the common factors, and multiply them. For example, we will find the HCF of 36 and 60. Prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3. Prime factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3, and 5. The common prime factors are 2 and 3. Choose the lowest power of each common prime factor. For 2, the lowest power is 2 times 2. For 3, the lowest power is 3. Multiply these lowest powers together. 2 times 3 equals 12. So the HCF of 36 and 60 is 12.
Got it. Now let's move on to the LCM. What is the LCM?
The least common multiple, or LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest positive integer that is evenly divisible by all the given numbers.
How do we find the LCM?
Just like with HCF, there are easy methods to find the LCM. We'll look at the prime factorization method and the relationship between HCF and LCM.
Can you walk us through the prime factorization method?
Absolutely. For the prime factorization method, find the prime factors of each number, identify the highest power of each prime factor, and multiply them together. For example, we can find the LCM of 8 and 12. Prime factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2. Prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. The prime factors are 2 and 3. Take the highest power of each prime factor. For 2, the highest power is 2 times 2 times 2. This is from 8. The highest power is 3 from 12. Multiply these together to get the LCM. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24.
Is there another way to find the LCM?
Yes, you can use the relationship between HCF and LCM. The product of the HCF and LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the numbers themselves. For example, we will find the LCM of 8 and 12 using their HCF. To find the LCM of two numbers using their HCF, highest common factor, you can use the following formula. LCM equals the product of the two numbers divided by HCF. HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Product of 8 and 12 is 8 times 12 equals 96. LCM is 96 divided by 4 equals 24.
To summarize, the HCF is the largest number that divides all given numbers without a remainder, and the LCM is the smallest multiple that is common to all given numbers. You can find the HCF using the Euclidean algorithm or prime factorization, and the LCM using prime factorization or the relationship between HCF and LCM. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to find the HCF and LCM. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you next time.